Welcome to Derma Discoveries HQ, where we delve into the mesmerizing world of skincare. We are an unmistakably unique platform, setting our sights on providing you with a comprehensive, in-depth analysis of everything that pertains to the health of your skin. As skincare enthusiasts, we are dedicated to the mission of sifting through the sheer volume of often confusing information that is available and presenting you with reliable, results-oriented skincare suggestions, each tailored meticulously to cater to your individual needs. In this beautiful world of ours, each day brings a fresh opportunity to learn something new, a chance to explore an uncharted territory. Today, we are excited to embark on a journey of discovery into a topic that is fresh and relevant. Yet before we immerse ourselves in the intricate depths of our discussions, we believe strongly in starting on a light, jovial note. Thus, allow me to share a little skincare humor to lighten the mood. Why did the pimple make an appointment with the dermatologist? Because it couldn't handle the breakout. Now that we have shared a little laugh, let's stride confidently towards our subject matter of the day. Our focus today is on acne, a skin condition that affects a vast population, yet is widely misunderstood and often stigmatized. Our venture today is to enlighten you, to debunk popular misconceptions, and to present clear, factual information about these unwelcome, persistently stubborn face invaders. Acne spares no one, from teenagers struggling with hormonal changes to adults blindsided by sudden acne flare-ups. This skin issue is indiscriminate. It doesn't care about your age, your gender, or your lifestyle. It can strike at any time. Acne can manifest in several forms, each one boasting its unique attributes, characteristics, and challenges. For today's session, our intention is to delve into these different manifestations of acne, with the aim to provide you with a broader understanding and you to combat them effectively. Let's begin our exploration with the blackheads. Blackheads. These small dark spots can pop up anywhere on your face, but they're generally more prevalent around the nose area. Following this, we'll talk about whiteheads, papules, and pustules, which might seem different but are actually varying degrees of the same type of acne. And finally, we will discuss the most severe and painful type of acne, nodules and cysts. Understanding each variant of acne is the first step towards the path of healing. Different types of acne may require different treatment protocols, a fact often neglected by many. Medication, both prescription and over-the-counter treatments, can prove to be effective. However, their success depends largely on the nature and extent of your acne. Your lifestyle and dietary habits can also play a significant role in managing and controlling acne flare-ups. To provide you with a more comprehensive understanding, we will delve into each of these aspects, taking care to explore them and more in our upcoming videos. So make sure you stay tuned. In this section, we'll explore how acne affects different skin types differently. Acne, as we all know, is a common skin condition that affects people worldwide. But it's essential to remember that not all skin is created equal. Skin types vary greatly among individuals due to genetics, environmental factors, and personal care routines. Just like we all have distinct hair and eye colors, our skin can be classified into various types, each with its unique characteristics, vulnerabilities, and reactions to external forces such as acne and its treatments. Let's delve deeper into the world of skin types, starting with oily skin. This skin type stands out because it produces an excess of sebum, a natural oil produced by our sebaceous glands. The overproduction of this oil can lead to a shiny appearance and a greasy texture. But more significantly, it can make the skin highly prone to acne. Blackheads, whiteheads, and other forms of acne are common occurrences in people with oily skin. This is due to the excess sebum and dead skin cells clogging the pores, providing the perfect environment for acne-causing bacteria. The silver lining? Oily skin tends to age slower than other skin types, as the excess oil acts as a natural moisturizer, keeping the skin supple, less prone to wrinkles and fine lines. Switching gears, let's talk about dry skin. Dry skin may not be as prone to acne as oily skin, but when it does occur, it can be quite challenging to treat. This skin type lacks the necessary natural oils that keep the skin hydrated and protected. As a result, it can become sensitive to certain acne treatments, which can cause further dryness and irritation. People with dry skin often experience a tight feeling after washing their face, with visible flaking or peeling. The skin may also appear dull due to the buildup of dead skin cells resulting from inadequate oil production. Next in line is combination skin, a unique mix of oily and dry skin. Typically, the T-zone, which includes the forehead, nose, and chin, tends to be oily, while the cheeks are dry. This skin type can be particularly tricky to deal with, as it requires a careful balance between treating acne and maintaining skin hydration. It's like walking a tightrope, constantly juggling products that control oiliness in certain areas without aggravating dryness in others. Let's not forget about sensitive skin, another distinctive category. This skin type reacts swiftly and sometimes severely to changes in the environment and skincare products. With sensitive skin, acne treatments that are too harsh can often lead to further skin irritation, redness, and dryness, making the treatment of acne a delicate task. Therefore, people with sensitive skin need to be extra careful when selecting skincare and acne products, taking care to avoid irritants and allergens that can trigger reactions. Understanding your skin type is crucial to effective acne management. Now, let's discuss how this understanding can be applied. For oily skin, using oil-free and non-comedogenic skincare products can help control sebum production and prevent clogging of pores. Gentle exfoliation can also aid in removing dead skin cells that may contribute to clogged pores. For dry skin, hydrating products and gentle, non-irritating acne treatments work best. Moisturizing regularly is highly beneficial to complement the skin's natural oils and prevent further dryness. Using a humidifier, especially during drier months, can also help. For combination skin, a balance of products that can address both oiliness and dryness is necessary. A gentle cleanser and a lightweight moisturizer are suitable for the entire face, while a more potent acne treatment can be used on oily areas alone. And for sensitive skin, hypoallergenic and fragrance-free products are usually the safest bet. Always patch test new products to ensure they won't cause any adverse reactions. Remember, knowing your skin type is the first step to effective acne management. Tailored skincare routines and acne treatments can help you maintain healthy skin and keep those pesky pimples at bay. Armed with this knowledge, you are now better equipped to tackle acne and care for your skin in ways that align with its unique needs and characteristics. As we conclude our discussion on acne, we trust you found this knowledge fruitful. Navigating into a more profound realm of acne care, we uphold our belief in the power of information. It's our duty to arm you with skincare wisdom. If you've learned something new today, we greatly appreciate your engagement. Before we end this video, we have a small request. If you found this information helpful and want to continue unlocking the secrets of skincare with us, please hit the subscribe button. Your subscription not only supports our channel but also ensures you don't miss out on our future episodes. We would also love to hear from you. Please comment below any skincare queries you have or topics you'd like us to cover in our future videos. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of skincare. In addition, we invite you to follow us on our social media platforms, where we share daily skincare tips and tricks. You'll find the links in the description box below. Your engagement and support allow us to create more informative and helpful content, and we appreciate it more than words can express. Thank you for watching, and remember, your skin is unique. Treat it with care and respect. Until next time, stay tuned, stay informed, and stay beautiful.